Okay, so electrochemistry sounds scary, right? But let's make it simple. Imagine a movie, a blockbuster. Film name, Leo. Hero, Vijay. Yes, that Vijay. Now, in our analogy, Vijay equals V for Voltaic Cell. And Leo, loss of electrons, is oxidation. Simple mnemonic, cool acronym. So, what's a Voltaic cell? It's basically a gadget that turns chemical energy into electrical energy, using spontaneous redox reactions. Think of it like this: electrons are dramatic, they leave one side and run to the other, creating current. They flow from the anode, where oxidation happens, to the cathode, where reduction happens. Now this whole setup depends on two big things. One, electrons moving through wires like sprinting through a WhatsApp group. Two, ions moving through a salt bridge to balance charges so things don't get chaotic. Now back to the movie Leo. We've got Vijay as Leo Das, our hero, and Sanjay Dutt as Antony Das, the villain. Epic casting, right? Let's break this down. Anode is made of zinc. That's where oxidation happens. So, Antony equals A equals anode. Antony plays the negative guy just like the anode is the negative electrode. And remember, Leo, loss of electrons, oxidation, that's your oxidation site. Now the cathode is copper. That's where reduction happens. It's the good guy. Gains electrons, unlike some villains we know who just lose control and electrons. The electrolyte is the ionic solution, zinc sulfate and copper sulfate in their own zones. And the salt bridge, potassium sulfate, keeps the peace, like the wise elder making sure both sides stay calm and charged. Now imagine the setup like this: two actors, two containers. Vijay's journey goes like this: 0 equals Zn. First container has zinc sulfate. Perfect equals potassium. Salt bridge is potassium sulfate. Champion equals Cu. Second container has copper sulfate. Also, did you know? The Voltaic cell has two stage names: Daniel cell and dry cell. Why? Because both actors share the last name Das. First Das equals D equals Daniel cell. Second Das equals D equals dry cell. So next time someone says electrochemistry is boring, show them this setup, tell them about Vijay, and boom, science meets cinema. Alright, class dismissed. But remember, be like electrons. Stay charged, keep moving, and avoid toxic anodes.